Detangling your hair in a total of 4 times in a year can really help your length retention. I'm going to show you guys how you can start off your length retention journey. Since we're in a new year, this is our best time to actually make a plan to grow our natural hair. I decided to reduce the amount of times I detangle my hair out. Like, I detangled my hair 4 times this year, and I saw so much length retention. Even though I started off late in the year, I was able to retain so much length. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to detangle my hair, because it's very important to be careful with this type, especially in your takedown process. That's why you're able to retain length. When it comes to detangling your hair, it's been in a protective hairstyle for a long time, so obviously you're going to have new growth, and you tend to have knots and everything, so you have to be patient while doing this. I've been in my protective hairstyle for a while now, and I have been really careful. And the first step is making sure you have a good sleep before I actually start taking down my hair. I keep my hair for 3 months, and that's a lot of time to have like martins, tangles. So if you're not careful, you lose more hair than you actually want to grow. So with this process, it can go sideways. The reason why detangling your hair is needed is because growing your natural hair or retaining more length is because, to be honest, when you're detangling your hair, you're going to experience a little bit of breakage. No matter how careful you are, you're still going to lose significant amounts of hair. Not a lot, just some part of your hair. So with using the tangling process, it really really helps to reduce tension, manipulation. And one thing about natural hair, it loves to be left alone. When I mean leaving your hair alone, it doesn't mean you're not doing routine. You're going to continue with your routine treatment and all, but when your hair is in a protective hairstyle, your ends are tucked in so practical, your hair is left alone, and you're not causing any form of tension, and you're not changing your hairstyle. So you're switching up your hairstyle, you're not touching your hair is just basically in a protective hairstyle. Your hair is definitely going to go. I've found helpful things in detangling my hair. I just work with my fingers. I know finger detangling is the best form of detangling, guys. Like, I can't overemphasize this. You feel you where your knots are, you can be able to take down the ends very well. Like, you reduce tension and manipulation to your scalp. It comes to detangling your hair, you don't want to use small combs or tiny combs that can cause so much tension on your scalp and break off your hair. That's why it's important you use your fingers. You're going to be gentle, careful to take down your hair. I notice I've had noticed a huge change in my hair when it comes to using my fingers and combs, because I lose more hair when I use combs compared to when I use my fingers. I'm just taking down my hair, my shaded hair. Obviously, you're going to experience little breakage, but not as much as it's supposed to be. Finger detangling works well and is best. I've been retaining more length and reduce hair loss just by finger detangling. So just make sure you have water-based products or products that have good sleep so that your hair is not dry. You should never detangle dry hair. Don't detangle your hair when it's dry, and make sure you detangle, but make sure your finger detangle take out all that knot, and you can go in with your detangling brush just to smoothen the whole process by finger detangling. Perfect for me only. Well, for me, so I have something. So more on length retention, this is literally the best time to start your natural hair journey, start your length retention journey. This is a new year, and I'm sure everyone has goals for themselves. And also, this is actually the best time to start your length retention journey. And if you're looking for a page or community to keep you updated on your routine for good protective hairstyles, so try to subscribe, like, don't forget to share, so people can also see this content and also give their reviews, because it's not all hairstyles you can try with this particular challenge, because it's been very technical when it comes to using extensions or doing protective hairstyle. Don't work with particular hairstyles. I also do treatments that's helped me grow my hair and just protecting my hair. And also my routine, I also stay my routine weekly, whatever I'm doing on my hair. So I want you to get updated in my hair care, because I just got so much length retention last year, even though I started off later on. So if you're looking for into growing your natural hair and want to know more about it, I'll absolutely say you should comment, leave it in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys, because I'm currently on a journey, a challenge right now. So this year I'll be going hard on my challenge. So many new things, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Just want to wish you guys a happy new year. But I'm back now to create more and to kickstart the year. So everybody is on the same page and everyone is happy. We are going to the new year. Let me know what your new year resolutions are, your goals. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So basically now I'm just doing my moisture routine. You've seen this a lot in my channel. So basically I'm doing the LOC method, which is liquid, oils, and conditioner. Basically I've gone in with my liquid, which is my water. I've gone in with my conditioner, which is my Cantu Living conditioner, and then my oils, which I use my shea butter or my Jamaican castor oil. As you can see, I'm just massaging in all those products into my hair and making sure it does the work. So basically, you've seen this Jamaican castor oil is holy grail. Like if you're struggling with drawing your edges, if you're trying to get thick hair, if you're trying to get your hair darker, I'll definitely recommend this product. It's been doing wonders in my hair. Like it's a very thick oil. You don't use this oil with other products because it's very thick, guys. Like you would see the consistency of this. It's very thick. So basically I just use my hands and run it through my hair. As you can see how I'm doing it, I'm slipping it in, I'm sealing in that moisture. Like this moisture can last for, let's say, 1 week. Like if you're losing your hair, you still feel some form of water in your hair, because this routine is basically for people that have high porosity hair. If you're trying to, like, if you have high porosity hair, which is basically your hair tends to not retain lots of water, thereby causing breakage in your hair. So high porosity hair is basically things hair that don't absorb water well. So doing this LOC method makes your hair absorb water better and keeps your hair moistured for days. When I mean days, guys, trust me, if you've done this method, let me hear from you guys in the comment section. You've done this method and it worked for you. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, and now I'm going in with my shea butter. This is like in every Nigerian home you surely see a shea butter. It's something that it's like a staple, like everybody knows about this. So basically this is just a sealant. It seals in moisture for days, guys. So basically I'm just using the slip method, which is just slipping it through my hair. Guys, don't forget your edges. Your edges are like the most important part of your hair. Like even though they are the least, like the down part of your hair, they need all the love and care. Like you can never go wrong taking care of your edges, your ends, because they are just the weakest parts of your hair, so they need all the love and care. So make sure when you're taking care of your other parts of your hair, you're taking care of the ends of your hair. So yeah, so once I do this, I always like going in with my massage just to give some blood circulation and just to keep my hair. I don't know, it's just a form of self-care. I like doing it. Just it relaxes my brain and just allows blood to circulate around my body. So yeah, once I'm done doing this, I just make sure you always pack your hair, guys. Don't leave your hair just like that. Like that's ghetto. Leaving your hair just laying down, especially when you're going to sleep, always pack your hair so it doesn't tangle up with your pillowcases and then thereby losing your hair. So now basically I'm just packing my hair in a bun so it doesn't like touch my body and all. So yeah, I'm basically just trying to keep my hair cute and look demure, right? So yeah. So when taking down your hair, it's important that you're careful with doing this process. Make sure you add your water and your conditioner just to soften your hair so it's easier for you to loosen it. Make sure you're doing this in the right state of mind when you're losing your hair, because it can be tiring, guys, especially if you have full hair like mine. You have to be patient because your hair can be frustrating. Like, so the best you want in sections. So when you're doing this, make sure you're using your hands. Your hands are the perfect what they call it, comb. Yeah, your parts. They're the perfect combs. It's easier for you to feel the knot, know where it's tangled, and be able to loosen it because your hair is already soft and conditioned. It's easier for you to just loosen your hair. So once I'm done losing my hair, I always make sure I twist it back because I have a full head and trying to like manipulate my hair when it's dry is very hard. So I always twist my hair just to make sure my hair is not everywhere and becomes tiring. So yeah, that's why I always twist up my hair. So once I'm done twisting up my hair, I do that for the many parts of my hair. And yeah, when I'm done that, I go into my wash away. So this is the amount of hair I lost just by doing this. So we're on to the last one. So the same routine I told you guys. I've already added my water, my conditioner, and yeah, I'm using my hands to finger detangle my hair, like to loosen my hair. As you can see where that dirt is. That's my new growth, guys. That's where my new growth stops. Make sure you're careful while doing this. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick length check, guys. My hair is growing like literally. When I tell you this works, it actually works. So this was the amount of hair I lost just by losing my hair. See you guys in my next video. Bye.